Hello everyone and welcome. And today we are going to have a conversation at home. A conversation at home. Good morning, mother. Good morning, mother. Good morning, Lisa. Good morning, Lisa. I had a dream last night. I had a dream last night. What was it all about? What was it all about? I dreamt about a white angel. I dreamt about a white angel. Oh, that's great. Oh, that's great. He had white wings behind his back. He had white wings behind his back. And he gave me some flowers. And he gave me some flowers. What was the color of the flowers? What was the color of the flowers? They were red and white in color. They were red and white in color. And he told me that salvation is the only key to heaven. And he told me that salvation is the only key to heaven. Oh, that was so sweet of him. Oh, that was so sweet of him. He also told me that we need to pray all the time. He also told me that we need to pray all the time. Oh, that was nice. Oh, that was nice. Anyway, come and take breakfast. It's ready. Anyway, come and take breakfast. It's ready. Wow, I love white bread. Thanks, mother. Wow, I love white bread. Thanks, mother. You are welcome. You are welcome. Today I am going to visit grandmother. Today I am going to visit grandmother. Can I come with you? Can I come with you? Yes, please. We are going together. Yes, please. We are going together. Okay, mom. Let me finish eating. Okay, mom. Let me finish eating.